Hi and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, like this video, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos on home, laundry and car care videos. Today we will be teaching you how to make your own dishwash using our T3000, S3000, water, essential oils and food coloring. T3000 is a thickener and S3000 is a surfactant. Both items are produced by us and is currently available on our online store. Links in the description box below. Let's begin. First, we will be pouring 200 milliliters of water, preferably distilled, into a beaker. Then we add 100 milliliters of S3000 into the water. Now we add essential oils and food coloring for fragrance and aesthetics. Give it a quick mix. Now, we add T3000 to thicken the solution. Give it a quick mix. Wow, would you look at that? Let's pour it into a dish soap bottle. This too is available on our online store, while stocks last. Now we test the final product on a plate. Look at the foam. Not only it works great, but it smells great too. That's all for today. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Thank you and bye.